slowly add enough milk to make gravy, stirring as you go. The milk will continue to be cooking and the flour will be thickening it. So you're going to have to just keep eyeballing it and just keep adding milk until you get a fairly good amount in there to make your gravy. Don't worry if it looks a little too soupy at this point. It is going to thicken up. We've got that roux in there, and that flour is going to thicken everything up as we cook it a little bit. And you're going to just simmer this here in a few minutes, so don't worry too much. Just make sure that you have enough that it's actually gravy in your pan. And then go ahead and continue to simmer this on low, stirring to really get all of that meat that had the flour coating on it spread evenly throughout your gravy. It's going to start looking like it's thickening up. Just let it sit on the stove on low for a little bit. Keep stirring. If you need to add more milk, go ahead and add more milk. And just keep stirring until you get it to the consistency of gravy. At this point, you're going to want to go ahead and season it. We use a little Lowry seasoning salt, a little garlic powder, possibly a little pinch of onion powder. That's some cracked pepper going on top because, you know, it just wouldn't be gravy without the cracked pepper. We're going to leave that gravy simmer for a little bit. We're going to go over here and lay out our biscuits to bake. We've got some parchment paper on the baking sheet just to keep them from sticking. We're cheating this morning. We're using pre-made because we got a lot of mouths to feed and not a lot of time. Homemade is certainly best, but we just don't have that today, and that's okay. We're going to go ahead and bake them until they're golden brown, just like the package instructions told us to. While those were baking, our gravy has thickened up nicely, and it is time to go ahead and serve our biscuits with this lovely gravy on top. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell. Many more good recipes coming soon. Thank you, Rebel Canners.